Hi everyone, I'm Mayor Patrick Hall. I wanted to provide you with an update to the city's response to COVID-19. I'd like to reassure you all that Canning has a robust risk management framework and our crisis incident management team is meeting daily to implement actions and to ensure continuity of services right across the Canning community. This framework allows us to be responsive to these changing situations, and it also means that we can take each day as it comes and adjust accordingly. In everything we do, we are closely following the advice of state and federal governments to ensure we are part of a coordinated approach to deal with COVID-19. In response to current recommendations and restrictions, we've cancelled a number of events, as you probably know, and from Monday the 23rd of March we will close the doors of our two smaller libraries at Willetton and Bentley. Our two larger libraries at Cannington and Riverton will stay open, but we have cancelled our library programs and events to reduce visitor numbers and put a number on measures in place to increase cleaning and sanitation, to track visitor numbers and also encourage good social distancing. At our leisure plexes, we have cancelled swimming lessons and are reviewing other programs and services, so please visit our social media pages regularly for all the latest updates. We have also put a halt to citizenship ceremonies effective immediately and until further notice. We're contacting anyone who has booked a community facility to ensure they comply with a 100-person limit, and we have restricted access to Canning Lodge aged care facilities to only essential visitors and families. And we took this step well in advance of the federal guidelines announced earlier this week. We're installing soap and hand towels in public toilets that don't have them already and have installed hand sanitisers in our community facilities. We have also increased the cleaning and sanitation of facilities. Council meetings will continue with a focus on essential items being dealt with, and we have cancelled strategic issue briefings, workshops and agenda briefings for Council until further notice. We're currently keeping some of our core community services open to allow our community access to information, health and wellbeing initiatives for those who want to. We're also preparing for when we may have to take further action in this space. This needs a whole of community approach, so please, if you are sick or should be self-isolating, please stay home. COVID-19 is likely to have an enormous social impact on our community in terms of restricted movement, social isolation, grief, and increased anxiety. We are also seeing some wonderful examples of COVID-19 kindness in Canning. Many of our local businesses, community groups and individuals have been reaching out to the community to offer support and assistance to those who need it the most. Over the coming weeks, we'll see our community band together and develop new ways of connecting and supporting each other. I've got no doubt that that will occur. We here at the City would love for you to let us know about these initiatives so we can keep the community informed of all of the new networks and support systems that are out there. Also feeling the impact are our local businesses who are really suffering. I urge you to make even more of an effort to shop locally and especially support small businesses. Please, if you do nothing else, spend it in Canning. We will keep you updated as things change, and they're changing quickly. Thank you for your understanding, your support, and for looking out for each other during these very difficult times. I thank you all.